Hi, I'm Bill Dexter, part of the Wrapture custom graphics team. In this video, I will show you some of the things you need to know to produce custom printed tissue. Many designers assume that tissue is printed as flat sheets like other commercial print jobs, but because tissue is so light and hard to handle, it must be printed on rolls, similar to wrapping paper. The printing process we use for this is flexography, a process widely used in the packaging industry for poly bags and corrugated board. This process lets us easily print designs with multiple colors quickly with relatively low cost. When preparing art for tissue, we need to understand some of the limitations of the process. The printing plates used in Flexo are made from a flexible polymer plastic about 1/10 of an inch thick, with the printing image being at the surface and the non-image area etched below the surface of the plate. Plates are made flat and then mounted to a cylinder with a double-sided sticky backing material. When the plate is wrapped around the cylinder, there is a gap where the ends of the plate meet. If we prepared our art properly, the resulting print will look seamless and continuous with no evidence of the gap in the plate. When we refer to the print repeat of a design, it is the distance between the same image printed on the sheet in the direction of the press. In our case, this would be 20 inches or the diameter of the print cylinder. As the press turns, the same image will print every 20 inches. This is important to know when preparing the art for your job. The majority of the jobs we do are considered scatter prints with a single or multicolor logo running in a horizontal brick pattern or a diagonal brick pattern. We don't expect our customers to provide a layout that is ready to go, but knowing the limitations of the process will allow you to give us a close approximation of what the finished product should look like. We can produce a preliminary layout based on your requirements. Just give the final size of the logo or art and how it will be oriented on the sheet. If you do produce your own layout, just remember the spacing between the logos and the press direction needs to be a factor of 20 inches, and there needs to be a break in the art for the plate gap. Once the tissue is printed, it is sent to the finishing room where the large roll is rewound to smaller rolls and loaded into the sheeter. We pull all the rolls through the sheeter at once, so each cut yields several sheets at a time. This makes the tissue easier to handle after it is cut and trimmed. With the rolls all being pulled at once, it is impossible to keep the images on the sheet lined up. This is why we can't do registered prints, and why typical tissue jobs are a random scatter print. I hope that this video has helped with your understanding of custom printed tissue production. And if you have any questions about this or other tissue related topics, please feel free to contact us.